Less than 24 hours from now, health assessment clinics will open in East Palestine. This comes weeks after a train carrying toxic chemicals derailed. Thanks for joining us at 5, everybody. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. State leaders maintain the water and air is safe as the cleanup continues tonight. 10 TV's Bryant Somerville live at East Palestine tonight with the update. Bryant, how are folks feeling there?
Andrew, since day one after this derailment, the biggest question people living here have asked: safety. Am I safe? Is my family safe? Well, tomorrow here at the First Church of Christ in town, the Ohio Department of Health is looking to answer that question. In the last couple of weeks, Robert Hellbeck has seen the good.
They just bring it and drop it off.
The senior minister at the First Church of Christ in East Palestine says they've received so many calls for food and water donations, they've had to organize deliveries over the next few weeks.
But yeah, just people from all over calling and wanting to help, all over the country.
People wanting to help, knowing those living here are struggling.
What is it like seeing your community go through this in the last few weeks?
Well, it's hard. You know, it breaks your heart to see people so concerned, especially for the kids, for their animals also.
Since the Norfolk Southern derailment earlier this month that caused many in this small town to evacuate, a lingering question remains: is my family safe?
Unsure about the future. That's the big thing. Right now it looks great. The air seems fine and everything, but people are concerned about what's going to happen 5 years, 10 years down the road.
Tuesday, the church will open its doors.
Any way we can, we're glad to help.
And will host a health assessment clinic put on by the Ohio Department of Health and the Columbiana County Health Department with support of the U.S. Department of Health for any resident who has medical questions or concerns.
Whatever they need, we're glad to help.
Now, I also asked today if the Ohio Department of Health will be offering up any kind of medical tests if people would like to have them, whether tomorrow or through the rest of this week, perhaps blood tests. I was not given an answer to that. For more information on how to schedule an appointment, if you are here, if you hear this right now, you can just go to this story right now on 10tv.com to learn more information. And Yolanda and Andrew, I got to say, the interesting thing to me today, being in town, of course, the first time since all of this happened, the smell. Anywhere you go in this town, the smell. And then talking with people who live here, have lived here for many, many years, they say, yes, we are aware of what you're talking about, but almost 3 weeks removed since this derailment, they can't even smell it any longer themselves. So coming up tonight at 6, I'm going to take you to what is known around here as Ground Zero. Talk to people who live in this area just a stone's throw from where this derailment happened, and you're going to hear them, how they say not enough is being done to keep them informed. Live in East Palestine tonight, Bryant Somerville, 10 TV News.